In the age before memories, this land was naught but ash and ruin. An endless waste of flame and withering abominations.
This year's Dungeon Jam video is simply a trailer. The actual dungeon is a free room puzzle, and you're welcome to use or not use the story that I've created along with it. It's free on my Patreon, link description, and if you're new to Dungeon Jam, this is a community event where the creators share free dungeons for you to play. Check out everyone else's dungeon through the playlist, link in description, or at the end of the video.
No life flourished, until a spark, unlike any other, kindled in the sea of flame. From it was born an Alfara, the first of her kind, the first god to walk these plains. Alk. She lived, died, and lived again in an eternal cycle of suffering. And from her sorrow, her tears caused life itself to take root. Thus she forged Encombe, our city, our sanctuary. Her daughters shaped the world, and great dragons ascended beyond mortal power. Hekrock, sovereign of death, and Tafir, keeper of the great mana pools. But that age is long buried in our memories. Now the world trembles on the brink of oblivion, all due to one boy, Udal, a petulant, forsaken man, crying out to the gods for things not in their control. When death finally claimed him, he became a symbol, a martyr to those who cursed the gods. Yet death did not hold him. Something ancient stirred once more. That same entity, that force that breathed life into the first creation on this plane reached out again and raised Udal. Gifted with power beyond mortal reckoning, Udal realized he could devour souls. He hunted without mercy, feasting upon the essence of all who crossed his path, growing, twisting, evolving, until even the gods themselves were no longer beyond his reach. And his purpose was made clear. He will destroy us all.
This is no longer a question of faith or loyalty. This is survival. It's us or them. We seal the gate to the God's realm tonight and lock Udal away where he will consume them. But not us. Are you in?